Hi everyone, I will to talk about tax in this video. Tax investigations, tax audits, importance of tax, penalties and benefits of filing tax early. The tax audits and investigations are the self-assessment system activities to promote voluntary compliance with the relevant tax laws and regulations. Tax investigation will be carried on by surprise, which also known as back duty case. When there is evidence showing the taxpayer has the intention to avoid paying the tax, the tax investigator will arrive at the premises and take the custody of the required documents for investigation purposes. Besides that, additional notice may be served if required. It also will request the taxpayers, creditors and the bankers of the taxpayer to obtain additional information to invent the best judgment of the tax affairs of the taxpayer. If necessary, tax investigator will require an interview with the taxpayer for further information. There are two categories of tax investigations. Civil tax investigation involves the activity of detection of tax evasion, leading taxpayers have the responsibility to recover the tax loss and coupled with heavy penalties. Criminal tax investigations focus on gathering evidences that prosecute and believe the tax evader breached the law. Unlike tax investigation, tax audit are not conducted surprisingly. It is conducted on behalf of the owners only and the appointment will made by them. The taxpayers are advised of the date and estimate of the duration of the audit. The scope of audit will also be defined in order to let the taxpayer prepare the document which required. Tax audit can be classified into two categories. Desk audit is reviewing the information on income and expenses and types of claims made by a taxpayer in his income tax return. Next, field audit is the most common way of audit. It takes place in the taxpayer's premises for a detailed review of relevant document. Finally, the aim of tax investigation varies from business to business, ensuring the amounts of tax collected and determine offences to tax evader. Meanwhile, the aim of tax audit is to determine a true and fair view of the business records. Audit officer need to ensure the amount of tax paid and reported is correct.